Hello, Cheltenham. After a deep look at what we have available on the high school website, I'd like now to take a look at what you have available as Cheltenham residents from your township library system. CheltenhamLibraries.org is the home page for our library. We have a bunch of different options for here. What I want to look at first is how to get a library card. Due to the closure, the library system has added a way for you to get a library card via email. Up top in the How Do I section, if we click on How Do I, we're taken down to our frequently asked question area. The first one is, how do I get a library card? By opening this, we see that in person is the first option. Applying online is the option that we want to use now. This is only available for Cheltenham Township residents. You want to click and download the library card application. It'll download as a PDF, which you need to complete, and email to sfrazier@mclink.org. It'll take about 3 days to process, and you will be mailed an actual card. That number is pretty important to access many of the digital services your library offers. Complete this, and you will have a library card to access many of the different areas that it offers, such as streaming video, ebooks, audiobooks, and even magazine subscriptions. After you complete that, the next steps are sure to come. I'm going to do a few more videos on some of the other areas we have on Hoopla, RB Digital, and Overdrive. One lucky part about Overdrive is one of the only services that doesn't require you to have your library card in hand when you activate your account. We'll look at that in the very next video. Cheers.